public and get them fitted and everything. And then the value of the finances in it just was thrashed really back by government, when we could have solved a lot of personal problems in terms of poverty. We could have engaged people in the issue really quite simply and got them wanting to cut back, because the debate was there and the opportunity was there, and then the government threw that potential away. We know one reason was obviously to big companies coming in, going for fields full of these PV things and taking the kind of money that, because it could have been dealt with. And in a way, this is what people are saying, look, we're going to have problems, we're going to stand up and stand our ground and challenge for it. It would be much better if you could be positive for once, wouldn't it? Rather than all this negative stuff. Just for government to think that way instead, and bringing in, you know, throwing in and allowing, should I say, big companies to take that control, to think of other companies that do it the other way, to engage people. You know, it would be loads better, wouldn't it?
Big companies did profit out.
I think what happened to that was the pot of money disappeared, isn't it? Because it was so popular, everyone was going for it. But,
oh yeah, why not though? It's probably cheaper than what's going to go on now anyway.
I've got to go, but do you listen to anyone quickly?
This gentleman here.
David White, I'm a Labour Borough Councillor. Haven't the Welsh Government offered on many times over the last years to work with the UK Government in regards to developing a policy on fracking?
It's, planning is developed.
I know,
I want the Welsh Government to get on with making their own policies, please.
No, but in regards to fracking.
I dare say they have spoken, but the UK government is motoring on with their planning guidance, and there's nothing happening here. So, I mean, whether they're talking or not, nothing's happening in Wales. Something good.
Okay, well, I'd like to thank you on behalf of everybody for fielding questions to government.